If you're ordering McDonald's and your friend says they don't want fries, get them the fries. Or else, you're fried.
Immediate evacuation for the city of Mobile. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobile Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for residents of the city of Mobile. At approximately 8:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dragon-like creature was spotted terrorizing the city of Mobile. It is believed that this creature came from the video game Minecraft, and it is labeled as the Ender Dragon, which is known for being the final boss that players had to kill in order to complete the game. The Ender Dragon has been ramming into buildings and has caused mass devastation to the city of Mobile. In addition, the Ender Dragon was spotted spitting a highly corrosive substance that harmed many victims in its radius until the victims were confirmed dead. All attempts at trying to exterminate the Ender Dragon have failed miserably and has resulted in the military arriving at the scene to deal with this situation. All residents of the city of Mobile are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, make sure you tie a white towel or cloth to a visible part of your home to let your local civil authorities know that you are aware of the situation and that you have evacuated. Do not use the towel if you need assistance. If you require assistance, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point. Make sure you gather the essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries to last you for the duration of this emergency. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures and will act on them accordingly. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Please stay tuned to local stations or media outlets for more information on this very dangerous